just want to zoom in over here, and before we move over to the reservoir, little tips and tricks that I can show you. If you go to your water operations and you go to your graph, if you want to change the graph for, or the flow rate for this graph, you can also go and right click and say show the results for this time, and then your results will update. You can just press the escape key and your results will then reflect for that time of day. Hope that helps. It's a little trick, but both are very important to know about where to find your results.